What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's almost done. You will see a shop tour next video. This video, vevor. I gotta say thank you. Some people have been watching the videos and they sent out some of this stuff to help with the build, and it's really coming in handy. So I want to say thank you to vevor. They sent out these shelves, and we're gonna install some tool organizing shelves today for all your battery operated tools and more. So I'm gonna set these up, see how they work, and see how they look. It's been a long day. Long couple days. So, some of you guys probably already picked it out. See how there's holes here and no holes here? I put this on the wrong way, so I'd switch this one and turn it around. Oh! I need a level. So, this is not 16 on center. So I need to figure out how I can space that where I can use screws yet, and I'll use 3" and angle them in, because I want this on a stud. If it's gonna hold all my drills, that's a lot of weight. Alright, so what I'm going to do, right here is the edge. And right here is the edge. So in theory, if I center it, because you have inch and a half, that's 16 on center, I should be able to toe them in at an angle, in theory. So, what I'm going to do is center it, like so. And then we're going to put this screw in. I'm not going to sink it yet. I'll make sure this works. Oh, I should level it. Gotta level it. I want it to look good. I see that every day, and if it's not level, it'd drive me nuts. That shelf that I'm going to see every day is going to drive me nuts. The one I made many moons ago. There. dude, that'll work. That'll do it. So I'll put 2 more, tone them in, and that'll work. Heck yeah. The other thing is I really don't like this lighting. I need to figure out my lights in due time. Heck yeah. It's gonna be sweet. I'm going either way. So this is the wall. It gave me a ton of problems. And I'm pretty sure there's no stud where I need there to be a stud. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Yeah, there is no stud there. It's a huge distance where there is no stud. It makes no sense to me, but it is what it is. So, trying to think how I'm going to do this. What shall I do? I am pumped just to have all this stuff somewhere, so I know it's always going to be there, right? I hope. I have one more drill floating around here that's supposed to go here, because I counted this all out. This was supposed to all fit, so I got to figure that out. I do have a skill saw, and my son also has a skill saw. As you noticed, there's a different color over here. This is my older son. He saved up his money when he was 8 years old and decided he wanted to get that, and he got it, I think, when he was 9. So it took him a year to save up the money, worked really hard. He bought all the tools, and then we gifted him a huge thing of screws. So, and he's building a fort down there. So he loves it. So that's cool. That makes me happy to see that. And that's all organized for him. He can reach everything. That's why we have a space right here for the shelving, so he can squeeze in there and grab what he needs to grab. And he's only gonna get taller, right? Well, I don't know. But these shelves are sweet. I am glad I got them. It saved me a lot of time. I don't have to worry about anything now. I can just grab all my stuff. It's organized, and that's the way I like it. I want everything in here, as I'm doing this shop build, all to be organized. And where I know everything is, it makes things so much smoother. So, next video you guys will see will be the walkthrough. And I don't have the lights done yet. I changed my mind again on the lights, so we have to order different ones, and I'm waiting until these are returned, use that money and just switch them out. So that needs to be done. I don't like the lighting in here right now. It's too dark. So once that's done, I'll have a video on the lights. But the next video will be a walkthrough on how I have everything laid out and why I laid everything out. So look for that video. I'm glad you guys see me again. Bye.